my name is Fernanda Bohme, co-founder of Bohme, and today we're talking about how to pack for a weekend getaway and some cute and easy outfits that you can pair together. I know it can be quite stressful to pack, especially if you're packing children, but if you're just going for the two of you, it could be a lot of fun packing for vacation, right? And so let's start with what's your go-to dress? Like every time you think vacation, you're thinking, oh, what's a dress I could wear? So I grabbed this little sleeveless under the knee dress, really cute. It's really soft, so you can even travel with it. It's quite comfortable. And what I would pair with it is a denim jacket. Any denim jacket you have will work. So this would be like my go-to outfit. What I like about it is that it's casual enough and yet dressy if I'm going to an evening dinner of some sort, or just want to be a little bit put together. This would be the dress and the outfit that I would pair that with. The other thing that I would wear with this is a pair of sunglasses. Really posh. You can't leave your house without a cute pair of sunglasses to complete the look. Next thing is, what about a couple of blouses? So I love wearing blouses in the springtime, and just something that's a little bit brighter, pop in that little bit of color, multi-striped, little crop top, a little bit of length if you want it, with a little short sleeve. And what I like about this gauze is that it breathes in the summertime and springtime. So it's a nice pop of color without you being too hot. Now, if it is a little bit chilly where you're going, I would recommend always traveling with a cardigan. This one's really soft. It's neutral. We have it in many different colors, and it's comfortable enough that you can travel with it. So with that, we also have some spring-summer sweaters. This is the item to have. It goes with everything. It's really soft, yet still lightweight. It comes in various different colors. And so what you could do is, let's say you want to wear some shorts and it's still kind of chilly a little bit. You can just pop in like a long sleeve with it. You can even roll up the sleeves, scrunch the sleeves. Really cute outfit. Let's say you just want to wear some soft bottoms. These soft bottoms, what I like about it, it really breathes in the summer and springtime. And it packs really light, because you can just roll it up. It's really easy. I would actually put it with like a little pop of color. I love the rust with the rose. And you can wear this multiple times. You can wear this sweater with your jeans. Speaking of jeans, you gotta have the high-waisted wide leg. This is the jean to have. I can put it with various different things. We also have it in the pinstripe butterfly. This is all exclusive from Flying Monkey. What you can do is just throw on a little graphic tee with it. Really cute. This is our exclusive graphic tee as well. How about a little pop of color? So you have this cute little midi skirt, so cute. And I'm gonna put it with a little casual graphic tee, also our exclusive design. What I love about these looks is that I feel like I'm put together, but still casual enough to where I can go to the taco stand, the gas station, you know, do your things, whatever you're gonna do, and still feel casual and comfortable. That's the whole point of going on vacation, right? What about a midi skirt? I love this. If you're going to anywhere exotic, the white midi skirt, I love it. You can pair it with like something, a little pop of color, a casual tank, some sandals, really cute look. What about accessories? So we talked a little bit about sunglasses. What about the hat? You gotta have the straw hat. And what you can do, the new straw hats these days, you can actually pack it flat in your suitcase and it'll be just fine. I would wear this with all of these looks. What about a handbag? This macrame, we just had this custom made for us with the suede straps. I love it. I would actually wear this with any of these outfits. It brings some fun into your outfits and still lots of room to put all your beach items or wherever you might go. Another tip, if you're in Arctic weather like we are here, it's dumping snow, you're going to somewhere very warm, you're probably going to be wearing a coat. So what I would recommend is if you have any down coat, anything like this, it packs really light. So after you go to the airport, you land at your destination, it's beautiful and sunny, I hope. You're just going to pack this and you're just going to roll it and get all the air out of it And then you can put it right in your suitcase, tuck it in probably in the front zipper of your luggage. Hopefully you're not checking in anything and can quickly get to your destination. So just pack it really, really tight. So then when you come back to your home, you know, you have your coat so you're not freezing. Another tip that I would add is how to pack your cosmetics. If you don't have a special bag for everything, just pull out a Ziploc bag, put your cosmetics in one, take another bag, put all your toiletries in another. What I like about it is that you can actually see all of your items. You don't have to dig for it, so it's really convenient. And then when it gets dirty, you can just toss it. So really nice, easy, inexpensive way to pack. What about swimwear? It's okay to pack more than one piece of swimwear, really. Depending where you're going, we have this Billabong high-waisted two-piece selling out, really, really cute. Rainbow stripes are very much in. If you just want a classic black, this little off-shoulder, it's still feminine, but black, I would highly recommend getting a spray tan for your vacay. If you don't want to go somewhere, you can always do it in your home with self-tanner. I would highly recommend it, so you feel good about wearing these outfits, especially going swimming. What about the pair of jeans? The other pair of jeans I didn't mention, these Levi's are the ones to have with the raw edge. I feel like I can wear this multiple times in my vacation if you can do the job and not get them dirty. You know what? Another tip that you can do if you're ever wearing white pants, bring some chalk with you. Even if you have just like a little piece of chalk, if you get anything on your pant, you can just put the chalk right over it. So that's a tip for you. And that is all we have. Thank you guys.